Guizhou, China, a piece of wealth and treasure, a valley of outstanding people. On this side of the hot earth, flying the dreams of countless enterprises. At every turn of the day, a new era of rapid development. The chemical industry market is booming, experiencing rapid development. The quiet and open cause of development, scientific modern production and excellent product quality. Funahai Cellulose Co., Limited, writing about the economic legend of this rich land. 2009, Funahai Chemical was established in 2000. Is a research firm, production and sales, comprehensive enterprise with warehousing as one, Kangzhou Hebei Province. It is adjacent to Dezhou, Shandong Province, surrounded by Jingtai Expressway, Bind Expressway, transportation advantages such as Dezhou High-Speed Railway Station. 2010, launch of operational research in 2010. Do market research. HETMC, coordinate the construction of cellulose ether HETMC production base. 2013, the formal operation production base was put into production in 2013. HPMC, product HPMC officially enters the market for sale. 2018, stable and mature in 2018. Device upgrade, automate production, further expansion of production capacity. For decades, the company is growing. Technological progress. 7, now it covers a total area of 70,000 square meters. 4, construction area, 40,000 square meters. 5, fixed assets of the company. Re-MB 5200, there are more than 286, among them 86 technical R&D management team dominated by experts. Rich human resources. A whole set of modernization, scientific production process. Laid a solid foundation for the long-term development of the company. The company has dozens of production workshops, administrative office building, sewage disposal system. It is divided into 2 major factories in the north and south. 25, the south plant mainly produces methyl cellulose of K-grade 75 wall machine. F60-70, the north plant mainly produces EF grade 60 to 70 strong top methyl cellulose. The product has been sold to Beijing, Shanghai Hebei, Shandong Fujian, Sichuan, Guangdong and other domestic first-tier and second-tier cities in South Korea, Southeast Asia, Europe and other neighboring countries and regions. 5, the annual production capacity reaches 50 poly-reaction, construction materials, oil field drilling, textile ceramics, leather paper-making, electronic component manufacturing and other departments. At present, the demand for the cellulose in domestic and foreign markets is increasing day by day. The company always adheres to the sincere cooperation with the vast number of colleagues at home and abroad. The purpose of mutual benefit and win-win. Develop steadily, healthy production. Strive for a more professional path. Up to now, it has become the only one in China that has both. HPMC, production of HPMC full brand products of standing kettle and lying kettle main additives of mortar. Comprehensive manufacturer integrating R&D and sales, from raw material testing to new product development, customer pre-sales and after-sales service, targeted formula adjustment design, pollution emission control, product quality control, customer responsibility. Each product is a new chapter for the company. Every customer who makes a deal, it's all the company's hard work and dedication. A story, a first-class story. Please contact us. Funahai Cellulose Ltd.